Dismantle roadblocks in Igboland, Southeast leaders begs Tinubu. Hello everyone, welcome back to Prospect Channels TV. Thank you for stopping by. If you're just joining us, please kindly subscribe to this channel and don't forget to give us a thumbs up. The Southeast leaders on Saturday appealed to President Bola Tinubu to order the dismantling of roadblocks and checkpoints in the region, arguing that they contribute to higher logistics costs and inflation. They also urged the president to prioritize reviving the Maribe Anambra Basin to unlock its abundant oil and gas reserves, which could significantly boost the nation's economy. The requests were made during a town hall meeting in Enugu as part of President Tinubu's official visit to the state, where he commissioned various projects executed by Governor Peter Mbah's administration. Nnamani, a prominent voice at the meeting, criticized the negative economy and security impact of roadblocks, asserting that Enugu State's modern security infrastructure makes such measures unnecessary. According to him, the state investment in a command and control center, the CCTV systems, and patrol car cameras as alternative to traditional security practices. He urged the federal government to de-emphasize the use of checkpoints to support the economic growth and improve perceptions of safety in the region. Chris Ngwo, another stakeholder, emphasized the economic potential of the Anambra Basin, which he described as a largely untapped resource with an estimated 1 billion barrels of oil and 30 billion crop feet of gas reserves. The future is gas, and developing the Anambra Basin could catalyze industrial growth and power generation, benefiting not just the Southeast but the entire nation. Ngwo stated, calling for the president's intervention to activate exploitation and development in the basin. The former Minister of Power, Professor Tinubu, added to the discussion by advocating for the revival of the rail system in Enugu and the neighboring states, emphasizing its importance for regional development and connectivity. President Tinubu, in response, pledged to consider the demands and highlighted his administration's commitment to fostering development across all regions of Nigeria. So guys, what's your take on this? Please let's hear from you. Kindly drop your comments below the comment section. Don't forget to give us a thumbs up, share this video, let it go viral so that Nigerians will understand what is happening today in the Nigerian political landscape. Thank you and bye.